In this video, I am going to explain restrictions in assignment problem. In some problem, it is not possible to assign a particular task to any facility. The difficulty may arise due to some conditions such as limited resources, size of the task, capacity of the facility, technical difficulty, etc. The cell that contain restrictions shall be assigned a high cost infinity. Such cells shall be simply excluded for further calculation. After that, you can solve the problem using Hungarian algorithm. Let us move on to the problem. In the modification of a plant layout of a factory, 4 machines are to be installed in a machine shop. There are 5 vacant spaces available. Because of limited space, machine B cannot be placed at location 3 and machine C cannot be placed at location 1. The cost of locating a machine at a place is given below. Find the optimum assignment schedule. Here, 4 machines and 5 location pointers given. Machine B is not suitable for the location 3. Similarly, machine C not suitable for the location 1 because of limited space. We have to find the optimum assignment schedule for allocating a machine in a proper location. Also find a minimum cost. In the given problem, machine B and machine C is not suitable for location 3 and location 1. In that place, we have to assign a very high cost infinity. Okay, let me write. 9, 11, 15, 10, 11, 12, 9. Machine B is not suitable for location 3, so put infinity. 10, 9. Machine C is not suitable for location 1, so put infinity. 11, 14, 11, 7. 14, 8, 12, 7, 8. Machine B is not suitable for the location 3, so put infinity. Machine C is not suitable for location 1, so you put infinity here. Next step, we have to check the balanced condition. In the given problem, we have 4 machines and 5 locations are there. So number of rows is equal to 4, number of columns is equal to 5. Number of rows is equal to 4, number of columns is equal to 5. So the given problem is an unbalanced one. Here number of rows not equal to number of columns, so the given problem is an unbalanced one. Here row is less than column, so introduce dummy row with 0 entries. That is 9, 11, 15, 10, 11, 12, 9, infinity, 10, 9, infinity, 11, 14, 11, 7, 14, 8, 12, 7, 8. At last you have to introduce one dummy row 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We have 5 machines and 5 locations. So we can assign each machine in exactly one location. Next step, row reduction. Select the least element from each row and subtract it from all the element in that row. First row, the least number is 9. Second row, the least number is 9. Third row, the least number is 7. Fourth row, the least number is 7. Fifth row, the least number is 0. With this, you subtract the value. First row, 9 minus 9, 0. 11 minus 9, 2. 15 minus 9, 6. 10 minus 9, 1. 11 minus 9, 2. Second row, 12 minus 9, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. Infinity. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Third row, 7 is the least number. Infinity. 11 minus 7 is 4. 14 minus 7 is 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Fourth row, 7 is the least number. 14 minus 7. 8 minus 7. 12 minus 7. 7 minus 7. 8 minus 7. At last you have to write the dummy row. Row reduction is over. Next one, column reduction. Select the least number from each column and subtract it from all the elements in that column. The first column least number is 0. Second column least number is 0. Third column least number is 0. Fourth column least number is 0. Fifth column least number is 0. All the column contain 0, so you will get the same matrix. 0, 3, infinity, 7, 0. Second column 2, 0, 4, 1, 0, 6, infinity, 7, 5, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Column reduction is over. After row reduction and column reduction, we have to find the assignment. For finding the assignment, we have to go for row scanning first. In the first row, we have a single 0. So put a square mark and then you have to draw a vertical line passing through that 0. Second row, you have 2 zeros. So you leave that row. Third row, you have 1 0. So put a square on it and you have to draw a vertical line passing through that 0. Fourth row, you have a single 0. So you put a square on it and then you have to draw a vertical line passing through that 0. Fifth row, you have 2 zeros. So you have to skip that row. After row scanning, you have to check all the zeros are covered with the lines or not. Here some zeros are not covered with the lines. So we have to go for column scanning. First column cancelled. Second column we have 2 zeros. So you skip that column. And the third column you have a single 0. So you put a square on it and then you have to draw a horizontal line passing through that 0. And you have only 1 0. So you put a square on it. And then you have to draw a horizontal line passing through that 0. After row scanning and column scanning, you have to check all the zeros are covered with the lines or not. Here all the zeros are covered with lines. Next you have to check whether number of rows is equal to number of assignments or not. Here the number of rows is equal to 5. Number of assignment is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here each row and each column contains single assignment. So the current assignment is optimal. Next we have to find the optimum assignment schedule. There are 5 missions A, B, C, D, E. Mission A allocated to location 1. Mission B allocated to location 2. Mission C allocated to location 5. Mission D allocated to location 4. And mission E allocated to location 3. Let me write. Mission A, the location is 1. Mission B, the location is 2. Mission C, the location is 5. Mission D, the location is 4. Mission E, the location is 3. Mission A allocated to location 1, the cost is 9. Mission B allocated to location 2, the cost is 9 again. Mission C allocated to location 5, so the cost is 7. Mission D allocated to location 4, the cost is 7 again. Mission E, the location is 3, so the cost is 0. So for mission A, location 1, the cost is 9. Mission B, the location 2 is cost is 9 again. Mission C, the location is 5, the cost is 7. Mission D, the location is 4, the cost is 7. Mission E, the location is 3 and the cost is 0. If you add, you will get 32. This is the optimum assignment schedule for mission to the suitable location. The minimum assignment cost for this particular problem is 32. If you are dealing with a restriction case, you have to assign infinity first and then you have to proceed the problem in the usual manner. Here, first step I assign infinity. After that, the given problem is an unbalanced one. So I make it as a balanced one by introducing dummy row. After that, I apply Hungarian algorithm to get the optimum assignment. Hope you all understand. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.